Hello, good afternoon friends. Now here see in the previous video we see the example number 2 from the practice set 6.1. Now I will explain you the question number 4 and the question number 5 from the practice set 6.1 because these two sums are little bit different than the previous sums. So now but the concept, just starting point is the different, but the concept is the same. Once you get the routine, if once you get the sine and cos theta value, then the all the sum is just like the previous question number, previous sum. So now here the question number 4 is what? If 5 sec theta minus 12 cosec theta is equals to 0, find the values of sec theta, cos theta and sin theta. So here what given, if you see the previous sum, that is second one. So in second one what they are saying, they are direct give the tan theta is equals to 3/4, then find the values of sec theta and cot theta. So tan theta formula we know that is nothing but what? Opposite upon adjacent. So here we draw the one right angle triangle and we these three we see, suppose that C is the theta angle, so uske opposite side AB है, so that we assume as the 3 and the adjacent side we assume as that is nothing but BC, we assume as the 4. But instead of here in the example number 4, instead of a fraction just like previous sum, that is tan theta is equals to 3/4, इस तरह से information solution given things नहीं दे, तो उन्होंने किस तरह से दे give like this, that is what 5 sec theta minus 12 cos theta. So now suppose here I wrote that one 5 sec theta minus 12 cosec theta is equals to 0. So how we are going to prove? तो यहाँ पे अगर suppose we are going to use the right angle triangle, so which is the opposite side and which is the adjacent side, it is difficult to identify from these equations or this given condition. So how we are going to do? So that time what you have to think about the formulas which we study in the last video. So which formulas are given? So here the information is given what? Sec theta and the cosec theta. अगर आप लोगों का एक ये सम याद होगा तो मैंने आप लोगों को सेकेंड मेथड भी बताई थी. हियर वी सॉल्व बाय यूजिंग द पाइथागोरस थ्योरम एंड इन द सेकेंड मेथड वी सॉल्व बाय यूजिंग द ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटी. दैट आइडेंटिटी इज नथिंग बट व्हाट 1 प्लस tan square theta is equals to sec square theta. तो वाई वी यूज दिस आइडेंटिटी? बिकॉज here tan theta ratio is given. तो tan theta ratio and tan के related और हमें find out क्या करना था? sec theta and tan and sec related identity is dead. So that identity is nothing but what? 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So by using this second identity we solve this sum. But here if we are going to use the identity, तो sec theta is given and cosec theta is given. तो sec and cosec दोनों से related which identity is there? So if you see, तो दोनों से related identity is nothing but 1 plus tan square theta is equal to this second identity and the third identity, that is 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta. But ये identity हम कब यूज कर सकते हैं? यहाँ पे sec in that fourth sum sec given and cosec given. तो अगर suppose sec theta identity यूज करने के लिए we need to find out the tan square theta और sec का square चाहिए, then we can use that part. But वहाँ पे sec square दिया है? No, they give what? They give only sec theta and cosec के related identity is what? Cosec related identity is what? 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. तो यहाँ पे cot is given, so here cot is also not given, so we cannot use that identity. So how we are going to use this one? So now we have to think about the another formulas related to sec theta and the cosec theta. Pythagoras तो हम use नहीं कर सकते. So now we have to use the next formula. So we are going to see the next formula. So next formulas are nothing but which one? अगर formula आप लोगों के learn होगी तो आप लोगों को ये देखने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं होगी. You will immediately understood कि yes यहाँ पे ये दिया तो we have to use this formula. That's why in last video only I told you learn all the formulas by heart. So now see here, वहाँ पे हमें दिया है उन्होंने sec theta and the cosec theta. तो sec and cosec related यहाँ पे sec theta एंड द कोसेक थीटा, दोनों से रिलेटेड दिस फॉर्मूला। तो मैंने आप लोगों को कहा था कि हम पाइथागोरस थ्योरम ये दो हम कब यूज कर सकते हैं, व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू यूज द पाइथागोरस थ्योरम। तो वो यूज ही नहीं करना तो दिस फॉर्मूला वी कांट यूज। सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सी द रिलेशंस बिटवीन द ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो। तो वहां पे सेक थीटा इज व्हाट दे आर सेइंग, सेक थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू व्हाट 1 cos थीटा, ये फॉर्मूला। एंड कोसेक रिलेटेड आइडेंटिटी इज व्हाट, कोसेक is nothing but what 1 sin theta. तो see here, if you see these two relation, तो cosec and sec के relations आ रहे 1 sin theta and 1 cos theta, and there is one more formula that is nothing but what sin theta upon cos theta is nothing but what tan square theta. मतलब ये अगर हम use करें तो we can use this identity also. So here for that sum we are going to use these three sums, three trigonometric ratios in the fourth sum. So how we are going to use that one? See here 5. So suppose this 5 I kept as it is, and this sec theta I converted into 1 cos theta. So why 1 cos theta? So see here, that is nothing but this identity, that is nothing but which one, sorry not identity, it is relation. Sec theta is equals to what 1 cos theta. So that's why this formula sec theta formula, मतलब sec theta आप इस तरह से भी लिख सकते हैं, 1 cos theta is nothing but what, is nothing but sec theta. And same for the cosec theta. तो cosec theta is equals to what, cosec theta is equals to, I am going to say what, cosec theta is equals to फॉर्मूला इज व्हाट 1 sin थीटा. यहाँ पे आप रीजंस लिख सकते हो, दैट इज वेरी गुड बिकॉज समटाइम्स इन बोर्ड पेपर दे गिव द हाफ मार्क्स फॉर द रीजन. इफ रीजन इज नॉट देयर सो दे विल कैन डू नॉट गिव यू द हाफ मार्क्स. सो हियर यू कैन राइट डाउन sec theta is equals to what, cos theta, and cosec theta is equals to 1 sin theta for this one reason. ठीक है, then I do not have the space this side, so I write down downstairs. So now means from by using this formula we convert this one into sin theta. So now this is nothing but is what, and is equals to what 0. So it is nothing but what 1 into 5 into 1 is nothing but 5 upon cos theta minus 12 into 1, that is 12 upon sin theta is equals to 0. So now suppose this minus sign I shifted on this side. So this 12 minus 12 upon sin theta become plus. So here what we are getting 5 upon cos theta is equals to, and this minus I shifted on this side. So here we are getting plus 12 upon sin theta. Now see here, I told you that is nothing but what, sin upon cos theta is nothing but what, we get the tan theta by using this formula. Which one, this tan theta is equal to sin upon cos. So here we are going to take that ratio. So now for that what I am going to, this 5 I shifted on this side and this sin theta I shifted on that side. So this numerator become here denominator, and this denominator that side goes become the numerator. So here it is but what, sin theta upon cos theta is equals to 12 upon 5. I just do the cross change. So now here sin upon cos theta is nothing but what, tan theta. So tan theta is equals to what, we are getting 12 upon 5. Why I wrote tan theta? Here you can write down the reason. Sin theta upon cos theta is equals to what, tan theta. That is the another formula. So means इसके जगह हम tan theta भी लिख सकते हैं. Both the meaning are the same. So here we get the tan theta relation. Tan theta ratio is nothing but what, 12 upon 5. But we have to find out tan theta. No, we have to find out what sec theta, cos theta and sin theta. So इसके बाद you can do by the two methods, that is nothing but by using the Pythagoras theorem या by using the trigonometric identities. तो Pythagoras theorem करेंगे तो so this is the opposite side and this is the adjacent side. Here opposite side, suppose here it is your theta angle, so opposite side 12 and adjacent side is what, 5. So 12 and 5 you can do, and you can find that this hypotenuse, and once you get hypotenuse, so remaining all the ratios you can solve. But instead of here Pythagoras theorem, it is for you will do, I will explain you by using the ट्रिग्नोमेट्री आइडेंटिटी. सो tan थीटा वैल्यू मुझे मिला है, तो tan थीटा रिलेटेड आइडेंटिटी इज विच वन? tan थीटा रिलेटेड आइडेंटिटी इज नथिंग बट व्हाट 1 प्लस tan स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू sec स्क्वायर थीटा. 1 इज देयर, tan को रेशियो हमें मिला है, सो वो हम वहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे एंड देन वी विल गेट द sec थीटा रेशियो. सो हियर आई एम गोइंग टू यूज दैट ट्रिग्नोमेट्री आइडेंटिटी. सो हियर दैट आइडेंटिटी इज व्हाट 1 प्लस, यहाँ पे आई एम गोइंग टू मेक अ बॉक्स. वाई? सो यू कैन अंडरस्टूड, यू कैन सॉल्व बाय द मेथड 1 and here I am going to explain you by the method 2. So 1 plus tan square theta is equals to identity was sec square theta. So 1 plus tan square theta, tan square is what? 12 upon 5, the whole square is equal to sec square theta. So 1 plus 12 square is what? 144, 5 square 25 is equal to sec square theta. Now see here 25 and 1, here only 1 is there, so there is nothing means what? There is 1, but we cannot add 1 plus 144. Why? Because the denominator is not same. So first we need to make the denominator same. So this one, this full first term I am going to multiply by the 21. So 1 into 25 is nothing but what? 25 plus 144 divided by 25 is equal to sec square theta. So 25 plus 144 is nothing but what? 169 upon 25. So here I am getting sec square theta is equals to 169 upon 25. And all of you know that 169 is nothing but the square of 13 and 25 is the square of the 5. So here I am just going to say by taking square root. तो sec square theta का square root is what? Only sec theta, and 169 is the square of which one? 13, and 25 is the square of what? 5. It means what? Sec theta value is what? 13 upon 5. So here sec theta value we get, that is nothing but what? Sec theta value what? 13 upon 5. Now we are going to find out the value of what? Next one is what? Cos theta. Now cos theta के लिए you want to use identity, you can use identity, but we know that sec theta is nothing but what? 1 upon cos theta. So here we are going to use that one. So here we are going to say that, so therefore cos theta is equals to 1 upon sec theta. So cos थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू 1 अपॉन सेक थीटा वैल्यू क्या मिली हमें? सेक थीटा वी आर गेटिंग द 13 अपॉन 5. सो हियर कॉस थीटा इज नथिंग बट इज व्हाट? उसका रेसिप्रोकल, बिकॉज यहाँ पे सी 1 अपॉन फ्रैक्शन अपॉन फ्रैक्शन, इट इज नथिंग बट वी हैव टू टेक दिस द, इसका वहाँ पे उल्टा हो जाएगा. इट इज नथिंग बट व्हाट? 1 अपॉन, रेसिप्रोकल है यहाँ पे हमें लेना है, सो इट बिकम व्हाट? 5 अपॉन 13. सो कॉस थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू व्हाट? 5 अपॉन 13. एंड सेम वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट फॉर व्हाट? tan theta. So tan theta is what? Tan theta का, sorry, here they are giving the sin theta. So sin theta, so sin theta formula is what? 1 upon cos theta we can say. So 1 upon